Okay, everybody, here we are. We're going to do a hands-on 2, create, save a document. I've already launched forward to a new document. No, I don't think you need to go through all that again. Step number 2 here is apply the no spacing style. So I'll go right here and hit no spacing. Remember what that means is it's not line spacing, it's paragraph spacing. Okay, I don't want any paragraph spacing. Number 3, key memorandum and hit enter twice. Oops. There we go. Number 4, 2, all caps and a colon, hit tab twice. And we're going to key all employees, enter twice. Step number 5, from, tab twice, key your own name, don't key my name. Okay. There we go, enter twice. Number 6, date, and then tab twice. Okay. How do I get the date in there? Well, you could just type it in. Today's September 9th, I believe. So September, there we go, space. And I hit space and then enter, and it automatically filled in. Okay. But what if I wanted to update every day? Okay. We can go up here to insert and pick date and time. And I'll pick the, let's see here. I guess that one's good. Third one from the top. And it'll update automatically. So tomorrow when I open the file, it'll say September 10th. There we go. Now another way, notice it's a field because it's going to update. I can do Alt-Shift-D. We do undo here. Alt-Shift-D. Okay, and that puts the data in there, and it'll give you the exact same format, and it'll update automatically. Okay, and that takes care of step number 7. Hit enter twice. Number 8, subject, and tab just once, weekly meeting memo. Enter a couple times, then we'll go ahead and key in the actual memo here. Let's see, 8, hit enter twice, subject, weekly meeting. Number 9, hit enter twice, did that. Number 10, hit F12, and we're going to save this. So I'll punch F12, weekly meeting memo, and I'll replace it, and now we're good to go. Okay, now we're good to go. You probably won't have to replace it on yours. I've done this before. Okay, but now it is saved. Now number 11, key the memo body as shown below. Hit enter twice between each paragraph. Then number 12 is to do a Control S to save the file. So here we go. Okay, let's go ahead and type up this memo. You might want to fast forward this part. This is a quick reminder Okay, I'll fix those spelling errors here in just a second. Please remember to bring your renewal and resources. Oops. Insurance policy. There we go. Can't keep that. Thank you. Do it like that there. And my initials. Okay, I'll right click my misspelled words here. Make sure you put the right one. Extra space in there. Right click. Right click. There we go. Okay, so my basic memo is complete. And I'll do a Control S. And my file is saved, okay, as weekly meeting memo. You might want to just leave this open for the next hands-on is going to deal with formatting this a little bit, okay. So you might might want to go ahead and just leave it open. And let's go ahead and head back to the classroom, talk a little bit about formatting, then we'll come back to this document and format it.